guys!
Today we'll be making chocolate cupcakes.
Halloween edition. Ooh.
For more recipes,
Consider subscribing. Now, let's step into our kitchen.
by adding our cake mix to a large bowl.
Next, we'll add the vegetable oil and the cup of water.
We use a whisk and add in our 3 eggs and mix until it's well combined.
Mix, mix, mix.
We were able to find these Halloween baking cups, but feel free to use whatever kind of colors you want.
We are now gonna add our baking cups into our pan. This part is optional, but we decided to add 2 baking cups in each slot to make sure we can see the design of the baking cup.
We'll begin pouring in our mix. Fill them up more than halfway. This would allow them to rise beautifully. Place in oven for 18 to 20 minutes.
This is what they'll look like once they're done. We allow them to cool for about 15 minutes and then begin decorating. For our first cupcake, we're gonna make a spider design using Oreos.
The body of the spider is an Oreo cookie. For the legs, we use chocolate icing. Then slap on 2 candy eyeballs. Repeat the process for however many cupcakes you want to make. You can have fun with it. Add as many eyes as you want.
Our next cupcake is ghost theme, using our cream cheese white icing and adding 2 eyes. Now we'll be making a bat using our decorating kit with the chocolate icing as the base.
And there you have it, quick and easy Halloween-themed cupcakes. Enjoy!
Thanks for joining our kitchen.
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more recipes. See you soon!